Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. This is Mama Imani. Back for a few seconds, showing the progress. We have planted seeds in all of the squares here, and on this side, as well as in the planters. I've taken pictures and I'll be putting them on the community page, on the community tab of my page, because I can't quite remember everything, but I have the pictures to jog my memory. Right now, I'm going to plant some lettuce. I know it's a cool weather crop, but I haven't had any of my own lettuce in over 6 months, and I'm tired of buying store-bought lettuce, so I'm gonna experiment and see what I get. Maybe if I keep this planter more in the shade, it will produce a little something. So, because of the giant hole, I am repurposing a used dryer sheet to keep the soil from falling out of the bottom of this beautiful terracotta planter. In here, I have the last bit of coconut core that I mixed with rainwater. I mixed in some of the reclaimed soil from the dismantled weird containers. I put in plenty of perlite, so I'm gonna fill this up most of the way, and then we're gonna plant us some Ithaca lettuce seeds. I may have to get some microgreens, because that's what I planted in here before, and until I can get to buy some microgreen seeds, it's gonna be lettuce. So I'm gonna pause while I gently just get it started. I'm gonna pause for a second, and then we're gonna finish filling this up. Back in a bit. And we are back. Not only have we mostly filled this terracotta planter, but we have topped off all of the planting areas with some moist coconut core and perlite infused reclaimed soil. So back to here. I'm not going to bother with rows. I'm just going to Imani rig this and sprinkle, reminiscent of the microgreens. I'm just going to lightly sprinkle these lettuce seeds. It's the last of the envelope. And we'll plant microgreens maybe in the back. And I'm just going to pull over the last couple of spoonfuls of the concoction, our little homemade potting mix. Reclaimed soil, coconut core, and perlite, plus a lot of hope and a lot of love. Just lightly cover. The soil is already moist, but it's gonna be a hot one today, so at sunset I'll probably, or just before sunset, I will redo I will rewater everything. Redo the watering. And each one of these planters is getting sweat, literally getting sweat from my brow I've also gotten a few drops on the camera screen, so I know it's fallen into the planters as well. So, laying of hands, praying over it, and there we have it. The Ithaca lettuce, nestled in, getting some sunlight. Everything's getting a bit of sun. It is going on 8 o'clock, maybe a little bit after 8, and they've gotten their first hour of sunlight. These planters back here will probably get more at sunset. So, thank you so much for watching this video to its end. I am going to sit down and have a water and tea break. This is immune support. So everybody, get out there, do something nice, do something good. Make your Sacred Saturday safe. Make it healthy. Make it content. And remember that we are already blessed in abundance. We just have to act like it. Support us by booking a online or in-person meditation yoga session. Email and love offering links will be in the description box. Blessed be.